Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to be about the 7 reasons on why I stopped purchasing decor items for my home. If you enjoyed this video, please throw a thumbs up down below and let's get straight on into it. The first reason on why I stopped purchasing decor items for my house is the simple fact that I have plants, real plants, to kind of add some life into my home rather than having fake decor items. And let me address the elephant in the room. Yes, my Christmas tree is fake. It was given to me as a gift. I only bring that out around the holidays, and it's little, so that's the only little item that I have for the holidays. But when it comes to decor around the whole house, you know, the home goods and TJ Maxx and things like that, I replaced all that stuff with real plants. And the reason for that is because plants bring natural beauty to the house, or I should say to any living space. They are also proven to reduce stress. And the most important part is that they actually in the air that we breathe. So if you guys do not believe me, you can Google this yourself. But if you've ever noticed, when you go into the doctor's office for your doctor's appointment, you will see a ton of plants around. I know in my doctor's office is always peace lilies. Peace lilies give out the most pure oxygen out of all plants, but all plants are usually great for that. But when it comes to the doctor's offices, they always recommend peace lilies. I could not have a peace lily in the house because it does such wonders to our environment, for our air quality. But that is the first reason on why I got rid of my decor and I replaced it with plants. Plants are 10 times better than any fake decor item. The second reason why I stopped purchasing decor items is because I feel like they were dust collectors. I remember being a kid getting a tote, like a big giant tote, filling it with water, and my mom would make us fill it with pine sol. I was around like 10 years old, and we would take down all her knickknacks and let them soak so they can get all the dust off. And I used to always wonder, like, why would you purchase so many little knickknacks and have to clean them once a month because they get so dusty up there? The thing when it comes to other decor items as well, such as the pretty vases and the wreaths, all that stuff collects dust. All that stuff you kind of have to try your best to clean, and I'm not willing to go that extra mile when it comes to my cleaning method, my cleaning routine. The simpler the better, just like my lifestyle. I rather sweep, vacuum, mop, and head out the door. I'm not trying to soak anything but my comforter, and that's it. The third reason why I do not purchase decor is that it is just straining to the eye. When you have too many things in the house, and I'm so guilty for this, you guys, I'm not calling anyone out, I'm calling myself out for this one. I had way too many Buddha items in the house. Even though I am really into Buddhism, I've been learning more about it lately, and I had about 10 Buddha items into the house, and I just felt like it was way too much. Your mind just can't focus, and it is just really straining to the mind and your eyes, and I feel like less is always more. I did get rid of all of my Buddha things because it's not that I'm out of the Buddhism stage, it's just that I'm out of the decor Buddhism stage. I'm more into finding out, more into reading about it rather than just having it in my house for looks. So I do feel like the less decor items you have in your home, your eyes can relax. Your eyes do not feel like there's just too much around. I know that probably makes no sense, but if you understand me, then thank you. If you don't, I'm sorry. I'm so bad at explaining when it comes to the whole eye situation with decor items. I'm trying here, you guys. And the fourth reason why I stopped purchasing decor items is because it goes out of style, just like fashion. Decor items are just like fast fashion. They're in style one season and out the next season. We are all seeing Christmas decorations galore at Walmart, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. We are like, what's in style right now that I've been noticing is the whole farmhouse style. I'm pretty sure that next year will be something else and people will be out of the whole farmhouse style thing and into something a little bit probably more futuristic. I don't know. But like I said, it always changes. So whatever like decor items you're purchasing for the house right now, you might not care about in a couple months from now. So you're just wasting your money, and that is the reason why I stopped purchasing like little pumpkin baskets, like the fake ones with leaves in them, for the holidays, because when the next season came, like when the next Halloween came, I was like, oh, that thing is ugly, like it's just so not me. I would waste like 10 bucks on that little pumpkin wreath thing, whatever it was. It was just such a waste of my time and money. Speaking of money, the 5th reason is because home decor is damn expensive. When it comes to decor items, I feel like they bump up the price because of Instagram, because of social media in general. We have hauls on YouTube. We have people taking pictures on Instagram with all these decor items in the back. And I feel that companies are bumping up the price to these items because they are being seen more. So with them being seen more online, people want to go buy them. And with that item, it was $5, and $5 like what, 5 years ago? And now it could be $30 because they bumped up the price because everyone wants it because they've seen it online. So that's another reason why I stopped purchasing decor items, because they're just too expensive. The 6th reason why I stopped purchasing decor items is because you end up being a copycat of everyone else's homes. I've seen posts on Instagram where there's one lady's house, it looks really good, a little bit too much decor, but then I seen another picture and I thought it was her house, but it was a different person's house, but they had the same item. So I was like, it's like a copycat. It's like when you go to the mall and everyone has the same bag and the same Gucci shirt or whatever. I didn't want to be a copycat version of everybody else. I've seen a lot of people have tons of Buddha items, and yes, you do see a lot of people have a lot of plants in their house, but everyone has different plants. There's so many plants to choose from. The thing when it comes to being a copycat with decor items is that if you see it too many times, you tend to lose love for that item. You tend to just kind of want to stare it away. The same thing goes if you wear this shirt and then you go outside and you see 10 other people wearing it. Some people will get turned off by that, and some people will never ever want to see that shirt again. I think different is great. We are all different for a reason, and I feel that we have all different tastes. I think I've said different way too many times. But you catch my drift. We do not need to be a copycat version of everybody else, so therefore I am glad that my house has its own unique style. And the 7th reason on why I stopped purchasing decor items is that real is better than fake. Again, yes, that little Christmas tree is fake. We will disregard that right now because that was a gift, but everything else in my house is real. My plants, everything. And including my plant pots. I do not purchase plastic plant pots because they don't do justice for these plants. I've had plastic plant pots where the plant roots would just make the plastic plant pot like bust, and it was just a waste of money. I prefer ceramic, and that one is full ceramic. It is just painted gold. All of my plant pots are ceramic and they're just painted. When it comes to having real over fake, your house has a cozy, I feel like a cozier vibe. And also another thing with real versus fake, DIYs work amazing. If you live in a place where it changes seasons, such as Massachusetts, the leaves outside, yellow, red, they're all on the ground. My sister collects those. She makes wreaths out of them instead of purchasing a wreath. She gets the kids involved, and it just looks amazing. It looks 10 times better than any kind of fake wreath. The same thing goes for like sticks outside. She incorporates that. The pine cones, she takes them from outside. She paints them with like glitter and things like that, and just makes a nice little centerpiece with what she finds in nature. And I think it's just an awesome activity with the kids. And again, real versus fake. Real, I feel like real will always win. It just looks so authentic, and it just looks, I don't know, I feel like it was made with love rather than made in a factory a million times. So there you guys have it. Those are the 7 reasons on why I do not purchase decor or have any decor items in my house. I've gotten rid of all the paintings. I've gotten rid of everything. A little disclaimer, when I do move, I don't know when, but my boyfriend and I did sit down and discuss that when it comes to paintings, we would like to find an artist that we truly care about and that gets us, and maybe they could paint us something that represents both of us, rather than just purchasing a painting from Home Goods and it just looks good for now. We rather have something that has meaning. We were actually looking into maybe getting like a Dominican artist doing it, because he is from Dominican Republic, and I absolutely love that island. And it would be nice to get a painting from there, from a painter. So I don't know, that's something we're definitely thinking about in the near future. But that is also the reason why I got rid of all of my paintings, including the Monstera one in the living room. A lot of you guys are very upset that I got rid of it, but I just felt like it wasn't me anymore. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I want to leave this video on a question for you. Answer me in the comment section below. What decor items have you stopped purchasing? Whether it is Christmas wreaths, whether it is a Christmas tree, whatever you stopped purchasing for your house, I would love to know. I am very curious. And on that note, you guys, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.